In Japan, the banks of the Tenzin River, about 30 meters wide in Itami, Hyōgo Prefecture, collapsed due to heavy rain early on Monday morning, flooding dozens of homes in the area. Itami city authorities issued an evacuation alert for 2,088 people in 828 households in the Amaraki urban area at 1 a.m. and cancelled about 3 hours later. According to sources, landscaping works were carried out on the dam at this site, and the concrete lining was dismantled. It is believed that heavy rains pushed the water through the sandbags to the east, causing the shore to collapse. According to the Japan Meteorological Agency, based on precipitation data and other data, at 12 a.m. on March 8th, just before the collapse of the Tenzin River, 29 tons of water fell every second, which is equivalent to 200 liters.